Hello and welcome to the Sports Doyen with me Kushagra, and we are here to take a look at the ISL teams. The team we are having a look at today is Kerala Blasters. First of all, let me just extend the warmest of welcomes to Vaibhav Borse, who is working in the sports industry in Pune as an operations manager. Vaibhav, thank you so much for joining us. It's a pleasure for us to have you here.
Thank you from my side too.
So we'll come right to you, Vaibhav, right after this. But I'll go to Pratnesh first. Pratnesh, the team we are looking at today is Kerala Blasters, the Yellow Army. One of the most well supported teams. You can call them this in terms of support. You can call them the CSK of the ISL because even they've had fans traveling all over the lengths and breadth of the country. I remember watching the Kerala Blasters versus Mumbai City FC match, at Cooperage last year, and they were one of the very, very well supported teams there. You could see a sea of yellow in the stadium. First of all, just a little bit on their support structure, and of course, we'll come to the team and the manager, of course.
I remember seeing a lot of ISL games in the first season where the stadium in Kerala was jam packed, and I
Jam
felt
packed, yes.
there is no way that this intensity is going to be kept season on season on season. But they have managed to keep it season on season on season. So I think that is the biggest success for Kerala Blasters. Obviously, I think off the pitch, a little structural issues have been there. Prevalent have let go of their highest goal getter. So I think that's going to be a big, massive loss for them. But I think the support carries them through a lot of games. Also, last season's you could say superstar in many ways, Rafael Messi Bully is not there with Kerala Blasters anymore. So they will be missing the African Messi for sure. But yeah, I think with Kerala, the support carries them, and without that support in the stadium, it will be very difficult to imagine Kerala Blasters playing actually.
Vaibhav, when we talk of Kerala Blasters, you can looking when I see the list of the players that they have, there are some players that have performed well on the Indian domestic circuit, or some players whom we have heard of, from the English leagues, different areas of the world as well. You've got Gary Hooper, you've got Sahal Abdul Samad, you've got Nishu Kumar, Jessel Carnero. So, how do you see their squad? Do you think that their squad will be able to cope up in the sense that they could be in the running for the top four positions?
Actually, the same things happened in the last season too. Last season they were strongest team on the paper, but injuries and all this happened and they lost the touch. And उसके लिए इस सीजन उन्होंने स्क्वाड डेप्थ पे वर्क किए है, अपनी इंडियन कोर को स्क्वाड डेप्थ की है. रोहित कुमार आए हैं हैदराबाद एफसी से,
Hmm.
और जैसे आपने हीरो की बात की, जैसल जैसल इज वन ऑफ दोज प्लेयर्स. लास्ट सीजन की टॉप 10 असिस्ट प्रोवाइडर्स में सिर्फ दो इंडियन डिफेंडर्स थे, उनमें जैसल और प्रबीर दास एक थे. और जैसल गोवा से ही है, होम बॉय होंगे इस सीजन. काफी मतलब सेम इस सीजन कीबू विचूना आए हैं आई लीग चैंपियन विद मोहन बगान. तो उनसे काफी एक्सपेक्टेशंस तो होगी, लेकिन क्लब को सुधरना होगा. जिस जिस जो हाल उन्होंने एल्को शाटोरे का किया लास्ट सीजन. शाटोरे में भी अनलकी रहे, मेरी सिंपथी है उनके साथ, लेकिन और क्या वही कीबू विचूना के साथ हो पाएगा? क्या अगर उन्होंने रिजल्ट्स डिलीवर किए तो क्या क्लब उन पे अगेन विश्वास रख पाएगा? दैट्स द मेन प्रॉब्लम. क्लब एक कोच के साथ टिकता नहीं. सर्जियो लोबेरा का देखा हमने, 3-4 सीजन एक क्लब के साथ रहे. एंटोनियो लोपेज हबास एक क्लब के साथ 3-4 साल है. तो क्या केरला ब्लास्टर्स किबू विचूना के साथ स्टिक कर पाएगी? दैट्स द मेन प्रॉब्लम.
All right. I think this is a very, very, very important point, Pratmesh, because अगर ये लोग अपने मैनेजर्स को दे नॉट बैकिंग, एंड स्पेशली जैसे वैभव कह रहा है व्हाट हैपेंड विद द मैनेजर लास्ट ईयर, वो देखते हुए डू यू रियली थिंक केरला ब्लास्टर्स कैन बी इन द रनिंग फॉर अ टॉप फोर स्पॉट? बिकॉज व्हेन यू टॉक अबाउट स्ट्रक्चरल इश्यूज, support, I think support is the only thing working for them.
I think ये बहुत मैटर करता है because every year the squad cannot be expected to learn new formations, new style of plays, new systems, and even for the fans to relate to the manager, relate to the style of play, in spite of them being such a fantastic support, it's still difficult. And the fans do have a direct impact on the players as well. Even the younger players, like he mentioned, Jessel Carneiro was fantastic last season at left back. But for him, I think to understand to a new system would be difficult again, especially when you're a wing back. It's very essential to understand the small nuances of the system. So I think that's going to be really difficult for them. And again, they're without two of their best players last season in Messi Boli and Bartolomeo Beche. So I think that's going to be a huge miss for them. But still, I think they have some good players. I think Gary Hooper for Norwich, I think we've seen him score a few goals here and there. Also, I think Sahal has been, one of the Indian prodigies in so many ways, and really looking forward to a good season from him because I think he's good. I think he's a good player. He's got good passing accuracy. He can distribute really well from those forward positions. So I'm really looking forward to Sahal in particular. But I am a little bleak on their chances for the top four this season because there are, you probably would say, 7 to 8 good, really good teams in the ISL, and even the other three might not be as competitive on paper, but they are still very good on their day. So I think it seems difficult for Kerala Blasters, but कुछ भी हो सकता है is football.
What about you, Webber? आपको लगता है कि this is a squad जो कि हम लोग को playoffs में दिखेगा?
मेरे हिसाब से अगर ऑन पेपर की बात करें तो मे बी क्वालिफाई कर सकते हैं फॉर फोर्थ स्पॉट के लिए।
आपका फर्स्ट 3 फिक्सचर्स बता देता हूं मैं। They are playing ATK मोहन बगान, North East United and then Chennai. So I don't think that's an easy start.
और जो स्क्वाड में एक ही कमी है गोलकीपर की। लास्ट सीजन दे हैड टीपी रहनीश को जाने दिया इस सीजन, और बिलाल खान है, और साथ में बिलाल खान के साथ प्रभु सुकरन गिल है। सो आई थिंक गोलकीपिंग इज अ प्रॉब्लम। कोई रिलायबल गोलकीपर नहीं है। आई स्टिल फील धीरज सिंह को एटीके से लाया जा सकता था, लेकिन क्लब ने ट्राई नहीं किया। तो गोलकीपर पे मे बी इस सीजन गोलकीपिंग की वजह से जो क्रूशियल मैचेस में गोल खा बैठे। आई एम नॉट सेइंग लाइक बिलाल सिंह इज नॉट अ गुड चॉइस मे बी, बट दैट्स अ फैक्ट। बट लेकिन डिफेंस लाइन है जो क्लब की, वो बहुत अच्छी है। निशु कुमार है, जेसन कानेरो है, और जो सेंटर बैक्स है कोस्टा एंड बकाई कोने, वो दोनों काफी यूरोप से है। दोनों का काफी मतलब फैंटास्टिक सीजन रहा है पहले भी। मे बी डिफेंस लाइन क्लब की बेस्ट है, लेकिन गोलकीपिंग में अभी भी कह सकते थे कि थोड़ी क्या इम्प्रूवमेंट हो सकती थी। मिडफील्ड तो क्लब की है ही। अर्जुन जयराज आए हैं बेंगलुरु के, जो गोकुलम केरला में खेले थे लास्ट सीजन आई थिंक। देन ऋत्विक दास, अब्दुल हाकू जैसे प्लेयर्स, जो मतलब क्लब ने इस सीजन इंडियन प्लेयर्स पे विश्वास जताया है, एंड आई थिंक इट्स वेरी गुड बिकॉज इंडियन प्लेयर्स गिव्स यू मोर डेप्थ इन योर स्क्वाड। सो पिछले सीजन एंड मे बी वन प्लेयर इज देयर, जैक्सन सिंह, जिन्होंने साहल अब्दुल समाद को लास्ट सीजन बेंच कराया था स्टार्टिंग सीजन में। सो आई थिंक जैक्सन सिंह एक सीडीएम है। कीबू विचूना क्या उनको यूटिलाइज कर सकते हैं क्या? क्योंकि एल्को शाटोरे ने जैक्सन सिंह को यूटिलाइज किया था, एंड आई थिंक he is the player to watch out for this season. Sahal Abdul Samad already there, he's already established player, but Jackson Singh is player to watch out for.
Yeah, I think one of the positives for Jackson Singh or Jackson Singh, as is written, is that he got rave reviews from the Indian national team also on the basis of the performances in the ISL last year. So very much looking forward to the Kerala Blasters. I'm sure the Kerala Army is. I know you guys won't be there physically to support them, but I'm sure they'll have one of the highest TRPs and highest rating points when it comes to their matches. Keep it locked to TS. Sorry?
Manjappada fans,
yes. Keep it locked to TSD for more such previews on the ISL.